Welcome to the Compass Guide Research Training Resources, published by AGILE Research Limited. My name is Sandra Mandic, and I'm the author of these videos and the Compass Guide books for beginners and postgraduate students. These materials have been designed to help you navigate the research process smoothly and successfully complete your research project. Buckle up and enjoy the learning journey. This short video offers guidance to those who are new to research on how to read a scientific article. To begin, let's have a look at the generic structure of a scientific journal article. Scientific articles usually have an abstract. An abstract represents a brief summary of the study and key results. The next section is the introduction or background. This section provides information on what is already known about the topic and why the researchers chose to do their study. The methods section provides details on how the researchers performed the study and how data were analyzed. Results section showcases the study findings, often using a combination of text, tables, and figures or graphs. Discussion section describes what the results mean and how the results compare to previous studies related to the chosen research topic. Conclusions provide a summary of study findings and the significance of those findings for future research. The final section in a research article provides a list of references that researchers cited in their work. Let's now have a look at how to approach reading a scientific article. You could choose to read the scientific article from the beginning to the end, but that may not be the most efficient way. This video outlines a strategy for reading scientific articles for those who are new to research. Start with reading the abstract and pay attention to the specific results that were mentioned. After reading an abstract, ask yourself if the article is relevant enough to proceed to reading the full text, or should you move to another article. If you decide to continue reading the article, read the introduction or background section. Consider whether you understand the background information and, if necessary, look up relevant references. Next, read the results section and ask yourself whether presented results support the conclusions. After reading results, read the discussion section. Ask yourself if you agree with how researchers interpreted their findings and consider whether those results are useful to your research. Then read the conclusions. Think about whether conclusions are adequately supported by the presented data. Read the methods section now. Ask yourself if chosen research methods are suitable to gather the data reported in the article. Experienced researchers would read the methods section first, and based on the quality of research methods, decide whether or not to proceed with reading the entire article. If you identified any cited articles that you think you should read, look up their details in the reference list. Here are several tips to consider while reading scientific articles. Take note to improve your understanding of the articles that you're reading. For example, you could take notes about the significance of the study findings. You could organize your notes using the literature summary table. For more details about that tool, check out my YouTube video on how to search literature. Look up any unfamiliar terms, concepts, and research methods that you come across. Take a note of other relevant articles that you should put on your reading list. When you come across a citation of a relevant study in an article that you're reading, go back to the original source of information to see why authors have referenced it. Check if those sources are accurate and reliable, and if so, cite the original sources in your work. To avoid plagiarism, always cite all resources that you used in your work. For more guidance, refer to the Compass Guide Research Training books for beginners and postgraduate students. Both books are available for purchase on AGILE Research website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Check also my other videos on YouTube channel Compass Guide Research Training and sign up for AGILE Research newsletter to receive our updates. Happy learning!